Welcome to CapH. On our landing page, you can find helpful templates like employee contracts to help your small business. Sign up with a secure login. This is a dashboard of a company. You can add employees and create an online employee database for your company. Employees will receive an automated email with a link to CapH to activate the accounts, giving them 24/7 access to their leave records and dashboards to apply for leave, manage their leave balances, and all leave allowances are automatically calculated in line with the basic conditions of Employment Act. Managers receive email alerts to approve or decline leave online. CapH also automates the employee relations disciplinary processes in line with the Labor Relations Act. Simply select the employee, the type of misconduct, whether it's serious or minor, and input the details, and the workflow will take you through the process step by step. This will help your business to automatically comply with the Labor Relations Act and give you an online record in case you are ever called to the CCMA. CapH has all the legislative templates like written warnings and suspension letters, all embedded in the step-by-step workflow depending on the severity of the employee's misconduct. You can upload other documents and evidence related to each case, and you'll have an online record that's easy to access.